This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. We're getting measured. Come on. Growing sunflowers. Tim, I want to be as tall as the kangaroo. We've got an animal height chart in our kitchen.
Right, Topsy and Tim, who's first?
Me. Mummy measures us to see how much we've grown.
The wall.
I'm always taller than Topsy.
You're a cheater now, Topsy.
Yay! I'm a cheater. I'm as tall as you are.
Your turn. Come on in. Let's
My
get
turn.
you. That's right. Oh, you've grown too, Tim.
Yay!
But you're not yet a pony. You're still a cheater.
It's not fair. I'm as tall as you are. I'm as tall as you are. It doesn't matter. I'm going to be a pony before you are.
But you're still a cheater. You're both cheaters together.
Yeah, we're cheetah twins. Rah! Rah! Rah!
I've got a job for two cheaters. Look.
Are those sunflower seeds, Mummy?
Yes, they are.
Can we plant them? Please, please.
You can. And if you plant them somewhere sunny in our garden, they will grow into lovely tall sunflowers. There you go. And Tim?
Thank you.
And you can keep them safe in these pots.
1, 2.
There you go.
1, 2.
Perfect.
Let's go and plant them.
Oh, good idea.
Yeah. Come on, Tim.
Don't forget your trowels.
Oh, yeah. We won't. I know that. Here they are. Let's dig holes here, Tim. Okay. We love our garden, even though it is very, very small. And the lawn is not real grass. It's plastic grass. Look! It's a worm! Can I have a turn, please, Tim? Yes, but let me first. Ooh, it's so slimy. Let me have a turn. Okay. Ew. Ew. Do you think the worm might eat our sunflower seeds, Topsy? No. A worm couldn't eat a whole seed, could it? No, but I'm going to keep it in my pot, just in case. Oh no! I've lost one of my seeds! Oh, where's my seed? I don't know. Oh no! It doesn't matter. I've still got both of my seeds. We can share them if you like. Thanks, Topsy. Now let's plant them. 1, 2, 3. I'll go and get some water. Okay. I'm going to keep our worm in my pot. We put our seeds into the soil and water them. Our sunflowers will grow really, really tall, just like us. There you go, all covered up.
Topsy, Tim, time for lunch.
Okay. Coming, Mummy. After lunch, we'll check to see if our seeds are growing. Okay. You can come to lunch too, little one.
Oh, hand wash, please, Tim.
Oh, okay.
You too, Topsy, come on. Super wash, please.
Coming. We love cheesy potatoes. It's our favourite lunch.
Yum.
Mummy? Do you think worms like cheesy baked potato? Or maybe carrot or broccoli?
What have you got there, Tim?
It's my worm.
Oh, so I see.
And this pot here is its house.
Well, Tim, worms live in the garden, so come on, outside, please.
But I'm trying to keep the sunflower seeds safe from the worm. It could eat them.
Outside, please. Thank you.
Off you go, Wriggly Worm. But Mummy says that worms don't eat sunflower seeds. Worms are good for the soil. Our sunflowers aren't growing, Tim. Mummy, when will our sunflowers grow?
Well, it actually takes quite a long time. They'll just be getting tall as we move house.
Yay! Yay! We want a moving house party, don't we, Tim? Please, Mummy.
OK, I think that's a great idea. Let's have a bye-bye barbecue out here.
Yeah!
Good idea.
And that was ages ago, wasn't it, Topsy? Yes. Today is our bye-bye barbecue party.
Here we go. Right, have a stick for that, boys. There you go. Nice.
All our friends and neighbours are here because we're moving house in 4 days' time.
You are as tall as a cheetah.
Yay! Mummy is measuring us all. Our friend Kerry is a cheetah.
Oh, Tim, you've grown. You are now a pony.
Yes, I'm a pony! I'm Topsy.
No. Actually, Tim, I've already measured Topsy, and she's a pony too, look.
Oh, but I'm a taller pony than Topsy.
It's enough silliness, Tim. You're both big and tall now.
Hey, why don't I show Kerry our sunflowers outside? They're taller than all of us. Are they? Show me. Come on. Coming through. Oh. Ta-da! Our sunflowers. Look, Kerry. 1, 2, 3 sunflowers. They're so tall, Topsy. I remember the seed I lost. Look. Now I know where I dropped it. In a plant pot by the shed. Look, it grew into a big sunflower too. Sunflower. And that's when Dad said,
Your sunflowers will be lovely for the new people who come to live in our house, Topsy and Tim.
yes. And we can plant more sunflowers in our new garden.
Hey, great idea, Topsy.
Brian, Topsy and Tim, come over here, please. Come on, Topsy. Good girl. Right, we just wanted to say thank you to you, all of our friends, for coming to our bye-bye barbecue.
It's only 4 days now until we move to our new house.
You will all come and see us in our new house, won't you? Please?
Good. Yay. Well, the barbecue's ready, so everybody tuck in.
And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today we planted some seeds in our garden. Can you remember the name of the flowers that grew from our seeds? Were they sunflowers? Or were they daisies? The answer is behind the clouds. The answer is sunflowers. Did you remember? Watch this. Ta-da! Our sunflowers. Look, Kerry. 1, 2, 3 sunflowers. They're so tall, Topsy. Great game. That was good fun. See you soon. We can play